We're talking with Boris Gurlevich today, but your business now since around 1998, Ask Trade Mentor, you've been trading stocks, bonds, options.
And teaching. And teaching,
How did you make that transition?
Well, I made good money when I consulted for McDonnell Douglas and other companies related to NASA projects.
Okay.
That was a very interesting project by NASA, so they sent me to Russia as an American citizen, but I made very good money. They paid very well. So I decided in before 98 to take 1 year sabbatical, studied the market, hired a couple of very good coaches. That's what I'm doing now. And as a result, the money worked for me, but I still love teaching. I always taught thermodynamics, physics. So I thought, well, why don't I teach people how, one-on-one, how you actually manage your emotions, how do you trade, and the major thing, how do you protect your investments? I heard you were talking about protecting, so how do you sleep at night? And for that, you can use always options, futures, you hedge.
So options are a little bit confusing. I know Tina really understands it immensely.
Always.
But it is very difficult. I mean, I follow the financial markets, and it's, you know, the puts and the calls and when to get in, when to get out. Tell us briefly how a client can be, they don't have to trade their money, they can just do practice now?
Initially, all my new students, after the free consultation, initially they trade paper money. So I just show
like
them.
Monopoly?
Like Monopoly, but I show them my account, paper money, so it pretend money, but they trade exactly like real money. Nowadays, all the brokers have that. So we trade my account. They do it. I can see there.
They do their executions.
We do the executions in paper money. So a lot of questions disappear just because we do it practically. You say, click here, you're protected. Why? Because if your account goes down 10%, you're out. Your additional option put in this case in making money on the way down. If it goes up, your option call makes money on the way up. But major thing is you're protected.
Well, protection is really important today. I mean, Tina,
Yes.
Guarantees, protection.
Yeah, but there are no guarantees. Are there really? There are no guarantees.
Some options,
Well, I
yes.
tell you what's happening. Let's say, God forbid, we have another attack, 9/11, whatever, and the stock market is closed for 3-4 days. Last time it was 6 days.
Yes.
Accounts go down. But if you had your protective put, which is an option, right?
Yes.
You will stay flat. Your account will go down, but the put.
A portion of your portfolio should be in a protected account.
Right, a portion or the whole portfolio, because to buy this protective put to hedge, you spend 0.5% or 1% of your total account.
Okay.
So it doesn't cost you much. It's less than you pay for your
That does make a lot of
insurance for
sense.
your house.
Well, it makes
That
sense.
makes a
Yeah,
lot of
it's well like buying insurance for your house, but also
House, a
the
car.
cost of an option as opposed to, let's say, 100 shares, which is
Yes.
what the trade is. You know, each option is 100 shares.
Disneyland, let's say $70, right? A share. The option will be what you need to protect yourself, $3.
Okay.
And one contract is 100 shares. So just spending $300, you protect already $70,000.
Yeah, that's really interesting.
See, it sounds very kind of strange, but that's how it works.
It does work.
And big guys like Warren Buffett, Gates, they all hedged.
Gates, Buffett, Tina Marks,
Conrad, even Boris.
Is it Boris Gurlevich?
Yeah.
PhD, Dr.
Yeah.
Gurlevich?
Take shower and protect it.
Protect yourself.
I like that. Protect
I
yourself.
like that.
That's how it
don't help with me. Boris Gurlevich, Ask Trade Mentor. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it.
Thank
Keep us in
you.
touch.
Thank you.